Good morning, students. Today we will start a new lesson. Lesson is alcohol, phenol, and ether. The name of the lesson is alcohol, phenol, ether. And first of all, we discuss about the alcohol. As you know, the alcohol is general formula of the alcohol is ROH. OH is the functional group. OH is the functional group. And for alcohol, suffix is all. That the first member of this alcohol group is CH3OH. Its common name is methyl alcohol, while the IUPAC name of this compound is methanol. And second one is CH3CH2OH. Its common name is ethyl alcohol, while the IUPAC name of this compound is, there are two carbon atoms in this compound. IUPAC name is methanol and ethanol. And you have to study detail about the methanol and other alcohols, just like CH2OH. It is known as, common name is ethylene glycol, but its IUPAC name will be, there are two carbon atoms compound in two functional group, H1,2 diol. And before आगे further increase about the classification of alcohol. Now we will discuss about the classification of alcohol. According to the number of presence of the OH group, they are classified into many categories, such as monohydric alcohol, then dihydric alcohol, then there is a trihydric alcohol, then polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol, and polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol have one OH group. They contain one OH group. Dihydric alcohol, as the name indicates, di means two. They have two OH group. Trihydric alcohol have three OH group, and they have many OH group. Poly means many. They have many OH group. Examples of this one, for example, trihydric alcohol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. It is called as, common name is glycerol, or it is also said as glycerine. And their IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Prop 1, 2, 3 triol is the IUPAC name of this glycerol. And dihydric alcohol consists of, example CH2OH. It is ethylene glycol. I have already explained here. Ethylene glycol, common name is ethylene glycol. IUPAC name is H1,2 diol. Monohydric alcohols have been further classified into the three categories: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and third one is tertiary alcohol. Further, I will tell you about the primary, secondary, and tertiary. Monohydric alcohol further classified to primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. In the case of primary alcohol, the general formula for the primary alcohol is RCH2OH. It means the carbon atom which contains OH group has two hydrogen atoms. Carbon atom containing the OH group, the carbon atom which is bonded with the OH group has two hydrogen atom and one alkyl group. That's why it is a primary alcohol. And R may be HCS3, C2H5, etc. Any alkyl group. For primary alcohol, example will be methanol. If CS3 is added in this one, then it becomes CS3, CS2OH. That is the ethanol. Methanol, ethanol. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Propanol, butanol in this way. When we come to the secondary alcohol, in the case of secondary alcohol, the general formula is carbon containing OH group. It has bonded with the two alkyl group and one hydrogen atom. General formula of the secondary alcohol. For that one example, you can say for the secondary alcohol is CS3, CHOH. Its common name is isopropyl alcohol. It is isopropyl alcohol. It can be written as COH, CS3, CS3H. IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3. IUPAC name will be propanol 2 because the functional group is bonded with the second carbon atom. It is a propanol 2. Now we come to the tertiary alcohol. Formula of tertiary alcohol is the carbon atom which is linked with the OH group has 3 alkyl group. It has 3 alkyl group. It has no hydrogen atom bonded with the carbon atom in which OH group is bonded. Example is CS3, OH. Its common name is tertiary butyl alcohol. Can you guess the IUPAC name of this compound? Try to write the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay.